Alrighty, let's get it. Welcome back. What can we do today? Dino, Dominic, let's go. Hey yo, Rian, what's up? What is poppin'? How's it going, yo Ashish? Let's get it popping. Tango, let's go. What is up? How's it going? How's everyone's morning going? Yo, Tango, where are you from and where you trading from? Dino, Dominic, where you trading from? Rian, bro, where you trading from? Let me know so I at least know whether it's morning or evening for you. Today is about to be an absolute slapper. Let's get it. What is good, Archie? Oh, yep, are we getting on Discord right now? Anytime now. Let's go. There you go. I'm in the live train here. Mohsen, what is up, Mohsen? How's it going? How is everybody doing today? Good vibes, I'm guessing. Philippines, that is awesome. What's the time at Philippines? 3:36 p.m. Oh dang. I'm guessing you're done with lunch, just getting into the mood. Let's get Philippines all set up. You're getting in the zone for London session, I'm guessing. Alright. Let's go. Come on. Everything good? Yep. That's good. Fantastic. So everyone's off to a good start. It's a good day. I feel good today. I feel really good. Man, yesterday just after we closed the stream, the cells, when I told you the 1 hour close, the cells, look at the close and the drop, almost 200 pips, 190 pips honestly. That is just insane. We spoke about it, it played out. Yo Mohsen, I'm awesome man. I'm all ready for the day. It's a pretty decent day, eh? But yeah, yesterday's sell call was absolute carnage, not gonna lie. It was absolute carnage. We called it, we waited and waited. Plain and simple, you saw it, the high, low, and the formation of a lower low. Plain and simple, and we got that beautiful move. GJ also yesterday after the call, where was that? Yeah, that was around here, right? The call and the buys above 400. 133, 153, 400 was the call, right? Price closed above 153, 400. So let's say you take your trade, right? Stops below the candle, around 20 pips, let's say. Look at where you are this morning, 160 pips up. What are we talking about, lads? And we all had it planned out right over here on the stream. Brilliant stuff. Yo, Rian Boro, what is good, my friend? Archie, did you catch any crazy trades yesterday? We called out Euro JPY sells, which Archie was in. These beautiful cells right from here to the bottom. It's safe to say we're on fire, lads. So what are we looking at today? Today I want some fire trades today, not gonna lie. Today is Thursday the 3rd, and we are all set for the day. Yep, today is Thursday the 3rd and we're ready. This looks interesting. So we're gonna come back and close in this range, and you know how it goes, you know the vibe. That is good, that is good. You all know the vibe. So yeah, alright, let's get it. Alright, what are we looking at, lads? Put it in the comments. Which pairs shall we look at? Put it in the comments. Drop it down in the comments what pairs we shall look at, and we shall start going pair by pair, breaking it down, top down analysis, and absolutely slaying it today. Today is no excuses. We're going all out. Let me know. Put your pair in the comments of what you want to see. Okay, put your pair down in the comments and we shall break it down top down. Alright. Okay, looking for buyers on GJ. Alright, we'll break GJ down. Alright, what are the other pairs we're looking at? Okay, the 4 just flipped. Good morning. What is the praise? Let's go GJ gold. Alright, yes, gold also we're gonna break down right from the top down. Let's go. USD JPY, USD CHF. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Alright, GBP JPY. Let's start with GBP JPY, yeah? We do complete top-down analysis. Okay, we're going to look at it where the monthly is heading all the way down to where we are at current market structure and price, eh? Alright, so let's just look at the monthly time frame on GJ. We are forming this resistance at 156 flat, if you all can see that. We have rejected a level in here that should be like 153, 500, etc. on the weekly time frame, right? There you go, the weekly time frame. So I'll just bring it up here to 154 flat. Alright, so 156 is our monthly resistance. This is our weekly resistance at 157 100. Alright, so right now we're trading below the weekly and monthly resistance, what we've respected the weekly support. So we're going down to the daily time frames. We're just looking for key important levels, right? We have an important level right over here. Well, let's say 100, 153, 100. We have a daily resistance which we have reached right now, right? Daily resistance at 980. So this is our daily resistance. All right. Just keeping this in mind, and weekly. Alright, we're just keeping it real clean. Alright, so now we have key levels marked, right? And daily support. Here you go, right over here. This is our weekly support. Alright, so now we can see all our important price points, right? We can see all our price levels which we would normally pay attention to, right? And so now we're trading at this daily resistance in the middle of this range, right? This is the major range, this is the minor range which we're trading into. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see. So this is a 4-hour resistance which we've just broken, daily and 4-hour, and now we formed a 4-hour support. Right, and we have our previous levels right over there. So right now what we're going to look at is we've right now broken out of this range, correct? Right, we broke out of this range. So this is the first higher high in the 4-hour time frame, right? You have the resistance is the first higher high. So this is the first break of this bearish market structure to a bullish market, right? So right now what we're going to do is, this is the 4-hour flip. Let's go, there you go, that's the 4-hour flip. Let's continue going down the time frames. hourly, so now hourly we formed a resistance up here at 210. This is pretty decent. So yeah, so our 4-hour support, let's just bring it down to 700. There you go, 700 to around, let me just say 680. Okay, I'm gonna make that my zone only because I want a 2-pip zone, and you can see the rejection from this zone, right? You see it here too. So that's my hourly levels, and we're gonna be careful. So here, right about here, is the daily flip. All right, so right when price crosses these levels, you know that we're slowly flipping into a bearish trend, right? Because the 4-hour is now breaking the previous, I mean the 4 is now turning bearish, and when we cross this level at 862, we're going to be turning the 4-hour the daily bearish. So yeah, you want to be careful and look at it clearly. We don't want to mess it up, you know. Okay, let's just put this 1-pip zone that I have set over here. 220. Let's just bring this to 200. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna put this confidently. Buys above. All right, those are my confident buys which I'm ready for. And sells we'll have to look at clearly, right? We'll have to look at where market structure is actually changing at that point, right? So right over here we have our resistance which we're now going to trade below. So right from our resistance, let's just look at that, to our key level at 155. Alright, so when will I take a sell? I will take a sell if we respect this and turn the flip this support, right? Break this support and continue down. So I want us to go back to 155, respect 155 flat as it's a key psychological level, right? And then decide where to go next. You see what I mean? So we're gonna play today very safe. Okay, so sells only after we see that form out. We need to see that bearish market structure form out first before we start taking any more sells, right? So secondly, why am I taking sells? We're now re-entering this range, right? So this is a range, correct? You see price moved inside this, right? So now we have re-entered this range, right? So now I want to see whether we can retest it and then do this, right, to continue up. Because guess what, price action changes, right? From lower highs to lower lows. We've now switched to higher highs, and now we need to make a higher low and then continue with higher highs, right? We want to shift to a bullish market structure, plain and simple. Is that clear, right? So all we're looking for is continuation, but with trend. We don't want to play around without the trend. So that's what I'm looking for. On GJ, how many of you all agree with that, or is there something that I've missed out? I have no problem. Y'all ask me and we will be able to check it out. Yeah. Alright, so do we all agree with the GJ analysis? Our bias is buys right now, but if we do show this bearish market structure form out over here, this minor bearish market structure, then we can get into those. Alright, so that's the only thing I'm looking for on GJ. Let's look at gold. Okay, gold, where are we on the monthly? Okay, we are about to retest these highs at, you can say 2000, right? We've just broken above this resistance. We have now created a higher high, so we don't know if the weekly is going to continue, right? There's an important level over here, 1930, I would assume. Yeah, there you go, that 1930 level, which was previously an important level. 1930 to around 1934. Yeah, 1930 to around 1934. Then we got this level all the way up here at 1951. Alright, and that I'm again gonna mark it like a zone to 1955, I can say. Alright, we're just looking at plain zones, guys. Just look at what we're looking at. It's just a zone. Wait, how did I put it in there? Alright, we got 1955 to 1951. So what are we doing on gold? Okay, so firstly, gold, we don't have a bottom wick, which is very interesting. Which the previous month, you can see this massive candle wick we left. If we reject this again, you can see this weekly resistance right over here, 1905. There you go. You can see the weekly resistance. If we reject it again, then we will probably continue down. But honestly, I find it highly unlikely that we will reject it again. So yeah, we're in the safe over there, but let's see how it pans out. This is our weekly resistance, which we're trading above right now. You can see this. Now we're trading above. We got a nice zone in here, as you all can see. Oh, look at that. You see how these zones play up? Can you see how without us even coming to the daily time frame, it's already marked on the monthly time frame? If we're just looking at key psychological levels, right, and looking at key points at which investors have done stuff before, that's where you will start getting your chart markings really nicely and really well. All right, so we're just gonna look at this. We got a daily flip over here. I don't want an alarm. We have our daily resistance that is now formed at 945675. Okay, gold, we see you. Okay, so gold, can you see how it just did the retail strategy break and retest right now over here? So this is a key level, so we need to see what is the key level in this area that it's finding. So I would say 1918 right over here, 1918 flat. The 4R doesn't have a bottom wick, so this will be a R 4R flip, right? This is a daily flip. Alright, so then we go down to the 3 hour, 2 hour. We're searching now for key levels which we can trade above. Okay. 1930 is a key level. Let's go a little lower in the time frames. Let's just look at it. The clean buys would actually be above this level right over here, 1934 500. That's where the clean buys are sitting up. Yeah, 500. Right now there are some risky buys, but remember, you're about to trade into this range of which has been only rejected before. You'll get what I mean. So that's a little bit risky, you know. That's on the riskier side of course, because this range is this area was nothing but rejection. So where can I find those clean buys? Once we re-enter this range, right? That's your high probability buys, because once you re-enter this range, right, you can now continue, right? You can create that bullish market structure to continue. But right now it looks enticing, but let's see. The 4 hours just continuing with no bottom wick, so it's very interesting. For me, I like to play it more safer, so I'm not sure about how y'all personally trade. For me, I just play it on the safer side, because I'm not a person who loves to sit in anxiety, right? And the more riskier your trades are, the more anxiety you're gonna have to sit with. So yeah, that is good, and we have a good level to sell off of down here. Even the 1 hour time frame, if I'm not mistaken, has some good sell opportunities. Yeah, the 1 hour has some good sells of the daily flip and 4 hour flip. But this, I'm sorry, but I don't have a trade on gold right now. Yeah, I actually don't have a trade on gold. If any of you all have a view or a analysis on gold which does give you a trade, can you send in a chart? We would love to see charts. Again, y'all can talk to me on Discord. I'm live on Discord in the live trading lounge, and the link is in description. And yeah, if y'all do have an analysis on gold that gives you a trade, then go for it, send it over. We can take a look at it. And so yeah, so that's basically my view on gold. This is a dangerous level that we're looking at. So I think my buys above 134 500 would definitely be the way to go for me personally. Okay, what's the next pair we shall look at? Okay, so we looked at GJ on gold, GJ. Okay, GBP JPY 15 minute looks like buys. Yeah, definitely does look like it. So classic break and retest. So when you look at the 1 hour time frame, you see we broke above this level. Now we can look for a retest of this level, right, since we filled in everything, and continue up. For me personally, I would take buys once we break up of 155 200, or if the next 30-minute candle closes bullish above this level 62, yeah, we can call this a 1 pip zone right over here. You see what I'm looking for? Until we stay above this range on the 30-minute time frame and the 1 hour, we're back into this previous range. Alright, so be careful of that. If it works well with your strategy, go for it. If not, I'm saying be careful of that. I'd want to trade above this level. Yeah, this level looks too clean. Like once you get above this, you can continue. Excuse me. So yeah, so y'all get the vibe. GJ analysis. Let me just post it up now. Alright, I'm just gonna post it up in the chat. GJ analysis. It's on the Discord server in general. Okay. Gold again. I think I would look for sells more below this level. Gold, it depends on how we form. This is like a no trade range for me. So yeah. All right, GJ flip. Yeah, the 4-hour flip would actually look good. That's why I put it above that level. See, look at what GJ is doing right now. You get what I mean now? About why I don't want to take GJ buys right now, you know? So anyway, just save yourself from unwanted stress. And what is up, Vedant? Welcome to the stream. Alright, what is the other one we asked for? USD JPY. Let's look at USD JPY. Do I have it? Let me just add that. USD JPY. And I personally prefer Oanda. I'm not sure about you guys. USD CAD. Let's look at USD JPY on the daily. We're creeping up, breaking highs today. On the weekly, we're breaking highs today. We broke the previous weekly high. Damn, Daniel. Okay. Let's just get this up here. Alright, we have our level over there. Which we've not done nothing but rejected over time. So let's just say I'm just gonna put a 2-pip zone actually. Alright, right there. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, how can you not sell below this level? Honestly, it's a crime not to sell below this level. This 500 level is a strong level. On USD JPY, buys above here all the way, I would say to here. $30 minutes. So we faked out once over here, so I don't think that should be a problem again. But yeah, here's where you get first partials and then second TP. So first TP, second TP, what is the range like? 15 pips, 30 pips. What is the daily range of this pair, honestly? Okay, we can take this as basically a daily range. 30 pips, 80 pips. Honestly, I don't find that enough, you know? But yeah, cause maybe on a good day you're getting good movement. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 in 6 candles is a really good movement candle. But yeah, that's my view on USD JPY. Do you have any questions? Who asked for it? Praise. I secured 20 pips on gold. Let's go, lad. I'm guessing you bought it up here. That was a nice one. Ooh, GG's Tango. Fantastic, beautiful one. Quick scalps, in and out, that's the way. Secure profits and eat large. That's how we like it around here. So USD JPY, you can also sell it below this level. Yeah, USD JPY is an interesting pair, I'm not gonna lie. It's been rallying up for some time. Look at this buy, okay? Look at this key level, right? Broke first leg of bullish market structure. Right? Higher lows. You buy it, hold it. 60 pips. You should be around 70 pips. Beautiful movement on USD JPY. Alright, so that is my thoughts on USD JPY. Wait for it to break this level, 750 level, 800 level, you know. It's just safer for you to wait for those levels to be broken. Yeah, there's the reason there's so many levels to keep in mind over here, honestly. But yeah, be careful. Trade it safe. I feel like you can trade a pair that's a little more volatile than that. USD JPY. They usually call it a practice pair, right? A lot of people practice on USD JPY. So yeah. Alright, let's go to USD CHF. Why don't I have any of these pairs on my thing? USD CHF. Ooh, USD CHF. What are we talking about? Right off the bat, this looks really interesting. We got a nice good level over here. So we got we got a key psychological level on USD CHF right over here. 1.92 flat. If we reject 1.92 flat and we don't crash, I'd be shook. But yeah, of course we need to look at the sentiment around USD right now. Look, and you have a nice clean drop to the bottom. From 1.92 flat. Are you kidding me? That looks so big. It's only 20 pips. Why are these pairs deceiving me? Yeah, it's only 20 pips. But yeah. That looks interesting, not gonna lie. Guys on Discord, let me share my screen right here. Alright. So there you go. That's a 22 pip drop if y'all do get it. If not, we are in the first leg of bearish momentum on this pair. Sorry, bullish momentum. We broke above these highs, higher lows, higher highs. So if we continue to create higher highs from this level onwards, we should be good to continue up. So on the minor time frames, on especially the hourly time frame, you can look for buys above this level, and in anticipation for us to continue breaking these highs. So it'll not only be the 4 hourly and all continuing bearish momentum, but it'll be the 1 hour breaking a small minor bearish structure and forming bullish structure to continue up. Right? So yeah, that's what I'm looking at, lads. What are y'all looking for? Are there any other pairs you want me to look at? Let's do Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Let's look at you, boy. I like Euro JPY, I'm not gonna lie. I like it. I like it. Alright. 370. We have a lot of rejections. Yeah, look at this. We have a lot of rejections. 500. Euro JPY is I think it's good above 500. 480 also should be pretty decent. Yeah, above this level, once we break above it, we have enough room to run up to, let's say 630, 640. Yeah. Yeah, do you see this key level which we've been rejecting? Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for to break. Okay, and on the other hand, for sells, we have a 260 level out here to sell from, to sell it to the bottom over here at 900. There you go. That's what I'm looking at. What are you guys looking for? On Euro JPY. Yeah, I really feel like if we close above this level, the next one can just shoot up. But above 640, don't even get me started. We're about to fly. We're about to get some big candles. Above 640, my targets would be here. 40 pips away. Look at gold rejecting the zone. Man, who called caution in this zone? I wonder who. Yeah, that's why I marked it out as a no trade range, lads. It's dangerous. Gold is dangerous when it doesn't close above. Alright, GJ, let's go on the 1 hour, on the half an hour. Right, see, I don't mind if this half an hour candle closes above this level and then we can buy it. It's just that it doesn't. Honestly, this doesn't make me feel safe one bit. We're rejecting the daily level of resistance and the 4-hour resistance. You know, buying at a resistance is really bad. Not gonna lie, buying at a resistance is really bad. Many people make that mistake, so don't buy at a resistance. Alright? Don't buy at a resistance, that's just messed up. If it was in the middle of the range of some sorts, then perhaps, but no. Come on. What are you looking for? Are there any other, what do you say? Are there any other pairs y'all want me to look at? I don't mind looking at anything. Yeah, I actually don't mind looking at anything. Alright, let's go to GU then. GU, we're gonna come down neatly to this level. Oh, we've already tapped into that. In half an hour time frame, Yeah, same thing. GBP USD. Yeah, now we just gotta wait, to be honest. 4 hourly, so let's look above this level. Bum bum. Give her back. Alright, so those are the levels we're looking at on GU. Gold is pushing down. I told y'all. No one can say I didn't warn y'all. Okay, USD CAD, USD Canadian. What are we talking about? Why is Canadian so strong today? Damn, why is USD so weak? No, but USD is not weak. Look at Canadian. What are we talking about? Why are we pushing this way in the morning? Whoa. That's a lot of news for today. Look, that's all for today. Alright. I guess we can work on it. Euro news just came out. Spanish services PMI. Did it do anything at all? Euro JPY trying to push up. Euro USD. Interesting. Okay, so Euro USD, we're in a bit of a dilemma. I think we'll be able to break Euro USD down well as we go along the day. Euro AUD, bro, what are we doing? Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. How many days has it been since we've just been bearish? 17-day bearish run. Guys, I've never seen anything like it. I'm not sure if you all have seen something like this. I've never seen anything like this. 17-day bearish run. Yeah. Not sure I've seen anything like this. That is very interesting. Pretty funny too. Is this an all-time low? No, it's not an all-time low. But we're about to. You think Euro AUD is just gonna go vertical and keep going down? That'll be mental if we do that. Wait, let's compare this to GBP AUD daily time frame. Oh my gosh, that's the same for GBP AUD. AUD is that strong? We've just gone vertical on all these pairs, on all AUD pairs, right? 520 pips. For 9 days we went vertical. Damn, bro. That is interesting. Wait, what about an AUD USD pair? We're trying. AUD JPY, we're trying. But seriously, that is just alarming. But yeah, GBP AUD yesterday for the first time we closed bullish in a long time. Man, okay. That is very interesting. AUD pairs, as you all have seen and as I've shown you, have been super strong. Man, Australians are relentless. I'm just joking. Any Australians in the chat, don't get mad. But that is crazy. GBP AUD, look at these, the most clean, beautiful cells you could ever get. Just look at this beautiful 60 pip win, just directly straight to target, no messing around. That's what I love to see, I'm not gonna lie, man. I love seeing that. Okay, that is beautiful. Alright, GJ, give us a banger today. In 8 minutes this candle is gonna close. I don't know. Any of y'all interested in this? Tell me what y'all are looking for, so we can fix it up. Yo, Praise 93, welcome to the Discord server. Welcome, welcome. Feel free to unmute and speak, no problem. Yo, Christy. Is there anyone who wants me to explain something? Like yesterday someone asked me to explain those fundamentals of trading, right, and of price action, basically how to read technical analysis in price action, and I was able to explain it, so yeah. Christy, I wasn't able to hear you. I'm not sure if you said anything, but I saw you on mute. Oh, what is up? How's the morning going? What's the time over there? Let's go. 11:23 and you're all ready. Yeah, I can hear you. Oh, that's great. That's awesome. What pairs are we looking at? Or what pairs are you looking at? Mostly GJ, yeah. From here? Did you buy right above here? Yeah. Did you buy right at the top? Yeah. It's okay. It's fine. I guess, you know, to a lot of people that actually would have made sense. Yeah. Sounds good. And now we're getting ready for the next trade, so no problem. Yeah, so once we start closing above and we get this 50-minute to close above this level, we should be good to go. So yeah, so we'll get that 4-hour flip, and then we'll wait for this 4-hour to go all the way up here. Straight to the 800 level. Buys look solid on GJ, not gonna lie. Right here. 80 to the top. Yeah, I think that's around 70 pips right up there. That's good. Alright, so let's look at GJ. The 4-hour flip. See, the safer buys are above here, lads. The safer buys are above this level. The little riskier buys are at this 4-hour flip. How many pips? Yeah, I think I don't mind taking a trade once this candle closes. But yeah, let's see how this candle closes and everything goes. Because we're right at that. Yeah, no problem. GU. GU is in a little bit of a sticky area. I'm not gonna share out. So if we GU above this area looks pretty decent, but I feel GU, I would still wait for it to break these highs, because I don't know, GU, we've struggled in this area particularly, right? So it's kind of a little weird, but regardless. Oh, GJ, what are we talking about? Yeah, but GJ, we have this clean candle to fill in, right? At least till here, 450. So that's what I'm looking to get into. Alright guys, so try and calculate your risk, calculate your positions, and see what works best for you. You want to see what works best for you, because we're not sure of how you risk manage, how you take your trades, etc. So be careful and watch for it. This is a risky buy, very risky buy, so be careful. Where's the music at? Let's go. Okay, if we're gonna close like this, I don't mind getting into a buy on GJ. Be a little bit of a 15 pip stop, but I don't mind. All right. Are we ready for some buys? Remember, safer buys. I'm not calling these buys. I'm calling the safer buys above 155, 200. Risk manage. You all know how much you're willing to risk, eh? So risk only that much. So this is what a trade would look like. Yeah, even I'm looking for that tango. So if you are to buy now, you would buy basically on this flip and expect continuation, right? So that would be like a 16 pip stop at least, because you'll be expecting price to not come below this low at least, right? It's a 13 pip stop. So that 13 pip stop, and you would have your targets way up here, which looks tempting. But yeah, this is not the trade. This is not a like a safe trade we're looking for, right? So we look for a safe trade. Search for the safe trade. So once this candle flips, we should have the necessary momentum, you know, because we're rejecting off this level. See, you see the level I marked right over here. So we've broken out, we retested, now we should be able to continue. I just wanted this half an hour candle to close above this level, which we did. Now the 4 hour has flipped. So for those who have taken it off the 4 hour flip in expectation to continue, okay, so that's only a 13 pip range, pointless. Yeah, so let's be careful, let's wait for it, wait for your trade to come in. We have a plan set up, let's not destroy that plan, eh? You know 200 is a key psychological level for GJ, so let's not mess it up. Tango. Yo, what is good? How's it going, Praise? I'm great, man. It's a beautiful morning. That is awesome. Nice to meet you, man, Praise. Where are you located? Let's go. That is awesome. That is just absolutely awesome, man. Welcome, welcome. And how long have you been trading for? Alright. Fantastic. And which are your pairs that you trade?
Well, I moved from synthetic indices to Forex. So I've got 6 months in Forex. I normally trade USD, JPY,
Alright.
GJ, and gold.
Sounds good. Damn,
So
that's really nice, man.
yeah, sure.
And so
Yeah, I'm just waiting for you.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
also
sorry.
waiting for it to at 155, 200. And I'm
Yeah.
just waiting for it to reach that zone. Then I think from there it will go up.
Oh, 100%. I think, you know, all of us are looking for that bullish market structure to continue, right, on GJ.
Yeah.
So I think getting that push would be awesome. especially on GJ. Like GJ looks like, I think it's the cleanest I've seen any other pairs. To have a target range, which is so clean for GJ, is what amazes me and makes me confident in this trade. This is my target zone. So yeah, so that's what I'm looking forward to. That is awesome. How did you start learning to trade Praise?
Well, during the COVID time,
Yeah.
I was very idle. The work thing, I was working from home and I had much of spare time.
Yeah.
So just reading along, I got to know about baby pips. Then that's when I started reading through
Yeah.
and getting more interested in the thing. And boom, I started.
That is awesome. Yeah, I think a lot of people's first beginnings were baby pips, eh?
Yeah, sure.
I think baby pips is a really good foundation for anyone who's on the stream and who's new to trading. Baby pips is a brilliant place to start trading at. Not trading, to start learning. They explain all fundamental technical stuff. It's amazing. Whoever put that together is just fantastic. And yeah, let's see. GBP USD also is coming down. Gold is going up. Now let's see if we can get a nice close at the top on gold. Gold is a dirty pair. Gold USD. But yeah. Let's see any of the other pairs playing out as planned. Euro JPY is coming down. That is pretty. So this next half an hour candle closes below this. We'd expect this to continue, but of course we got these main cells down here. The most confident cells you can find are sitting over here. There you go. Wow, GJ with no topic is going completely down, bearish. You see why we're waiting for our plan to play out? You see why we're waiting for 155 200? It's important to wait for that bullish market structure confirmation. The only place we get confirmation is when we break this high to create a higher high, right? And so why do we take a buy when we start creating a higher high? Because that higher high can be over here, that higher high can be here, or that higher high can even be all the way up here, right? So that's why wait for your plan. Don't get excited before time, Alright, so the 4 hourly is back to bearish. We're coming back to the daily flip zone. The 1 hour has flipped bearish. The 2 hours has respected this area, this 4 hour flip rejection, this 4 hour rejection, right? As of now, we're still at this 4 hour resistance. We're trading below the 4 hour resistance. What else? We're coming back down to this daily flip. So yeah, things are about to get interesting. GJ is just melting right now. Is this 150-minute candle just going to clear the entire range? GJ is looking very interesting. Look at that. 24 pip drop on it. Euro JPY staying below. GBP USD we're coming down. USD CAD we're going up. USD JPY. Ooh, look at that level to the T770. Exactly. When it doesn't close above your zone, you don't buy it. That's a rule, right? Whatever plan you've put into place, you don't execute if it's not part of your plan. Then USD CHF, we're coming back down. Coming back down. Again, USD CHF couldn't close above. It's struggling. We got Euro USD, which is now trying to come down. Let's see how far Euro USD can come down. Euro AUD, which is giving us a false hope of bullishness, because if you look at the daily time frame, look at this. That's just menacing. Just imagine if someone got into some sells up here. That's 1,000 pips. Like, seriously, what are we talking about? In 24 days, 1,000 pips in a month. That's not bad, right? Euro CAD, Euro New Zealand. Let's see what we can do with Euro New Zealand. This is absolute trauma. Yeah, we're not gonna mess around in this at all. If it wants to reject this level and continue down, we're more than willing to take part. Right over here. So that's why they call Euro New Zealand the dragon, you know. So Euro New Zealand, when it moves, it really moves. You see 150 pips. Next day 140 pips. So Euro New Zealand, when it wants to move, it just moves. But look at this wick, okay? Let's just measure this wick. 200 pip and candle, and just the wick 150 pips. Wow, so the candle is only 50 pips, but the wick is 150. Damn. Then we got GBP AUD, we got GBP NZD. I don't see anything that's too fascinating. NAS 100. Let's backtest this, okay? So if NAS closes below this level with a high, a lower high, and a low. So if we close below this level, will we continue down, would be my question. Alright, let's see if this will work. If we close below this level, will we continue down on NAS? Gold can be 2000 this week. Bro, gold can do 2000 in the next like 5 minutes. You know, that's how gold moves. But you want to be careful, because gold can also be 1900 in 5 minutes. But what I think is, gold is a little dangerous. We want to see how it trades above this level. What news do we have coming out this week? That way we'll be able to tell whether USD, Fed, testifiers, whatever. Then we have tomorrow. Oh, with unemployment rates and everything, yeah, gold can definitely be 2000 tomorrow evening at the New York session open. Alright, so gold is looking promising now. Yeah.
Have you ever been a swing trader? Like, do you ever hold trades?
No, I never found the guts to hold trades, to be honest. I just for me, the maximum I've left is, so you know, I with my 50k account, I normally trade like 10 lots and stuff like that. Okay, and even with that, I've only been able to hold a 1 lot out of those 10 lots. So I closed 9 lots and I held 1 lot, and that 1 lot I held it to 50 pips and I closed it. I just couldn't hold it. I'm not a guy who can swing. I struggle to swing. Come on, gold. Gold taking away all the hopes and dreams of getting a trade today. Okay, let's see this level. 750. Yeah, that's a really good level, which I marked just now. But it's not a 1 hour level, you see the problem with that. Okay, wait, let me just show you what I'm looking at. So this is a zone. Like this zone can be brought to this level too. So there you go, that's my no trade range on gold. Could we take sells on gold? No, we can't take sells on gold. GJ is dumping. Oh my gosh. What was that, 30 pip wick? Yeah, 30 pip candle on a 15-minute time frame. The 1 hour. Should have seen that coming, honestly, but yeah, it's fine. Still has chances retesting 1900. It depends, Rian. It depends on the news that comes out tomorrow, because the news can either move it down or up, right? So if we have negative news, right, negative USD news, then we're gonna have gold moving up to 19. Gold can move 150, 200 pips easy in unemployment. So yeah, I would say 1950 almost, actually. Yeah, so we can retest these highs, honestly. But if we get positive news, then gold is gonna continue down. And as you can see, gold is just trending. Yeah, gold is trending super hard. Do you trade during NFP? Very rarely, dude. Once or twice I've traded during NFP. That was when Raja Banks used to put buy stops and sell stops. Yeah, I was part of that gang. Put a buy stop and let it fly, or sell stop and let it drop. I think there was this one time I made 100 pips on a one lot in like 5 seconds. That was the quickest $1,000 banked and closed. Do you Tango? Tango, I like your name. Is this gonna be another boring session? Yeah, I think we all just watched Raja do it. Honestly, I feel many of these trades happen either post London or New York session. Even New York is post New York. Did you see the Tango? Did you see the time when Raja put a stop in and it went and activated the buy stop, and then it went right down to sell stop. I lost it. That was like way too funny. And he's just like, oh, that's not good. So if this 4-hour closes below this level, I will take a sell all day, every day. Not gonna lie. Yeah, if the 4-hour closes below this level and we get a good early closure, I will literally take a sell. So how many hours left in the 4-hour? 1 hour 9 minutes. Okay. So we have an hour and 9 minutes left. And let's look at EJ also, Archie. Yeah, EJ also might close below. That looks interesting in 9 minutes, and especially since it's a 1 hour. Yeah, that looks good. Could we get a bearish move? Come on, EJ, let's go below. So yeah, let's see what it does.
Yeah, Alpha.
Your praise, what's up?
Can you also check on GU?
Alright.
We also got bearish on GU.
Yeah, GU right now, as you can see, we're breaking below this zone. So this is our first breakout. So when we look at it, you see the bullish market structure is there. So this is our first breakout, right? So we have our low, we have our high, we have our higher low, we have our high. Now we have our first lower low, right? So to validate this bullish market structure, right, we had a high and a low, a higher high and a higher low, right? So to validate this bearish market structure, we need to do something like that. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
To validate this structure. So maybe we can push a little further down to perhaps this level and validate that. 1 second, wait. So once we break this low, we can possibly head down to this low and do something like this. You get what I mean? To validate this bearish market structure.
Okay.
So since you're now seeing that this is the first leg of bearish market momentum, that's what I'd want to see first. So yeah, so that's just to confirm the trend, to be honest, you know, confirming the trend. Yeah. I think I saw it was funny. That's why I don't trade NFTs and high volatile news. Yeah, dude, honestly, trading news is just gambling, not gonna lie, because we don't know the news. If we do know what the result is, like, okay, let's say like after COVID and everything, we knew that people are gonna start getting jobs again, offices are gonna open up, infrastructures are gonna continue opening up. Of course, we knew unemployment rate was gonna go down. So at those times, we could have sold gold, you know, in those NFPs and stuff like that. So that's where we need to, like, you know, be careful on where we gamble, you know, because you don't want to become a gambler. You're a trader, you know, you're a trader by profession. You don't want to become a gambler. This 1 hour is gonna close, rejecting this zone on gold. GU was gonna close below, but now it isn't. EJ was gonna close below, but now it isn't. That's it. Come on, let's wait for a good trade. You know, that's why I created this community, for us to just be able to talk and be able to help each other, save each other from possible potential bad trades we may take, you know, or whatever, you know. Because I think, you know, each one over here has valuable information that someone else possibly doesn't have. So that's why when we bring the community together, it helps unite that knowledge, you know. So we run out of one knowledge base. So yeah. Yo, Tango, how long have you been trading for, man? I wanna know. Any of y'all have cool PC setups? Let's just pass some time now. Any of y'all have nice PC setups, or I don't know, do y'all have some cool laptops that y'all trade off of? I think, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, gold is gonna close below for sure, and then we're gonna flip the daily first. Yeah, GBP USD coming back to that point again. GBP USD actually giving me those bearish vibes, not gonna lie. We gotta wait for proper entry. Yep, guys, don't be jumping into trades, and if you already FOMO, don't FOMO anymore. Trust me, just leave it. Yeah, don't jump into trades. Trust me, there were times where I'd sit and I'd pressure myself. That's awesome, man. Tango Saturday.
Sam was actually going to ask, is there a time when you used to take impulse entries? But maybe when you've analyzed and you see the price going past your area.
Yeah. So actually, I do take a few impulse entries, but that's mostly on gold. Okay, that's many times in order to get the right stops and everything, right? So on gold, I would take an impulse entry in a place like this, right? So now I know that we've come down massively bearish, right? We've had a small retracement and we closed first bearish, so this would be our lower high. So I would take an impulse entry at the candle flip over here. You feel me? So that way, once we've created the top part of this candle wick, I can put my stops above this candle wick. If I take an impulse entry over here or wait for candle to close, I may miss it. So those are the only times. And as soon as I break this low, I would bring my stops to break even. You feel me? That's how I used to manage risk. So that would be the candle flip. Place my stop below. As soon as we cross this level, stops to break even and wait for it to continue. So that was the way I used to trade. And I mean, I still do that a lot of the time. Tango, no crazy PC setup, just a laptop. Yep, man, trust me, that's where we all begin. Wait, let me see if I have any pictures on how I started trading to my setup today. My PC. Yeah. Can you see my screen? So this is one monitor I had that was like 15 inches maybe. That was I don't know, like ages old. This is my dad's iPad. I stole it from him and I used to watch Raja Banks. You can see the markings. Yeah, that's my dad's iPad mini. And this was my Lenovo laptop. Trust me, this Lenovo laptop would crash if I ran Microsoft Office. That's how terrible it was. And this was when I scammed my mom of her laptop, right? You know, as a trader, you just want more screens, right? This was like ages ago, firstly. So yeah, so again, Raja Banks on the main screen. My MetaTrader, right? I don't even know if I'm going. Was I in profits? Yeah, whatever was happening over there. Okay, that's a buy and a stop loss. Let's see. I don't know. I'm not sure if I won that trade. Oh, but as of here, it looks like I was winning that trade. So, GG's to me. But yeah, this is my mom's laptop, which I stole from her when she wasn't working. This was my laptop. You can see the spacebar also is messed up. You know, this was so bad. This was the extra monitor I used to use with my laptop. And yeah, that was basically my setup. And fast forward 4 years later, this is my setup, which I trade from. I mean, oh wait, you can just see it in my camera, but yeah, this is the setup which I currently use. And you can see the old laptop lurking around over here. But trust me, if it weren't for these times, yeah, none of it would have ever existed. If it wasn't for all this time spent, you know, watching Raja Banks, live trading with them, learning with them, trust me, you wouldn't have these moments, these exciting moments. So trust me guys, like if you're waiting for your breakthrough, it's coming. This is when I first built my PC. Yeah, I built a custom PC, you know, so there you go, look at it. So yeah, if it wasn't for those hard times, persevering, I don't think it would have worked out, you know. So yeah, welcome to my PC setup. I think the key thing to a trader is not giving up, guys. Whatever happens, do not give up. You know, they always say, right, there's a light at the end of every tunnel. Every tunnel has a light. It's just, are you willing to go through the complete tunnel? Right? Alright, so actually the volume is kicking in right now. You can see it on gold. GU, what do we do? Never mind. EJ, what do we do? Never mind. GJ, never mind. Yeah, there is literally nothing is looking good right now. Yeah. Come on, show us more pics at how it looks at night. Really mush. Okay, you wanna see? Do you full-time trade or do you have any other business? As of now, full-time trade in you. I do a little bit of media work and editing stuff, you know. Okay, wait, that's my dad sitting at my computer. How it looks at night. This is when I was doing a little bit of Warzone. Okay, not when I was doing a little bit of Warzone. I do a lot of Warzone. If any of y'all are gamers and you wanna game, let me know. You know the vibes. This is, so my friend and I built PCs together. So, you know, that's basically how it looks. Wait, let me see. I think I had... Okay, wait, that's a terrible picture. Wait. In the night, it's an absolute vibe. I'm not gonna lie, man. In the night, it's a killer vibe. There you go. This is my friend's PC again. You can see the black team. He went for the black team. So wait, this is our PCs together. He went for the black and red. I went for the white and blue team. Do you like what you see, lads? Wait, let me check. Is there anything else? camera. I used to take a lot of pictures of my PC, but then I just stopped over time. Oh, here you go. This is how it looks at night. We used to do pre-market analysis, and here's a picture of how it used to look in the night. There you go. We used to have a Discord server, everyone in the pre-market analysis, and we used to break it down. That's my setup. This is how it looks with some Warzone, you know the vibe. Then I used to watch movies and trade. When you get bored, you just trade, right? Some Starbucks. Do I have any other PC pictures? Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's my setup, lads. Yeah, the thing is, like, I have a dual 27-inch, right? So with the dual 27-inch, you have that one bezel. So it's a completely curved monitor. Both the monitors, 1800R curve. So there you go. That's how my setup looks. Yeah. Alright, enough of me. Anyone has? What specs do you upgrade every now and then? Yeah, I do look at upgrading now and then, I love the latest and best. But believe it or not, I'm actually planning to move to a laptop setup because I really want to travel and move around. So I'm actually I want to move to a laptop setup depending on when I get the chance. ZenBook Pro Duo. Yeah, this is the one I really want. Not this one. I want the ZenBook Pro with the RTX card. If I get a ZenBook, I'll only get it with the RTX card. Honestly, ZenBooks are completely unnecessary laptops for us. But you know how much we love unnecessary stuff. Just look at this 15-inch of glory. So yes, this is what I'm actually looking at getting. Let's see. If I find it, I'll buy it. Alright, GJ, let's go down. Alright, yeah, what's specs and okay. You know what, I can just put the specs up. I'm not sure where I have it though. Here you go. This is my PC build. It's a very basic build and very budget friendly build, to be honest. I'm just gonna put it up here. Can you all read it clearly? Or is it not clear enough? Yeah, that's my PC build. If you're watching me on a computer, I think it should be clear. That's everything I have on the build. For those who can't see it clear. Just happened. Here, this is my PC build. Right? I'll keep Clear, let's go. Gold did a fake out and banged it back into the range. I like that. Alright. So yeah, so that's my PC build. No, I'm just gonna save it as a template. PC build. Let's go. GBP USD is now coming down. There you go, right off this level. It was clear, nice setup. Yeah, thank you, man, Tango. It's a decent setup. It does the job, you know. I kept it simple. I didn't want to go overkill. Like a lot of people said, why aren't you putting an RTX card in your PC? You know, I was just like, I don't need an RTX card. I can stream clear. I mean, the stream is clear for all, isn't it? So I can stream, I can trade. I got a 1660 Super Gaming OC card in it. So I stream, I game, you know, it does the job. You know, you don't need more than that. GBP USD looks like a good sell once we close below this level. Euro JPY also heading down slowly. GBP USD 30-minute time frame confirmation awaits. Should we wait for this confirmation? $7.15. You can probably wait for that break, yeah. Right over here to capture this clean traffic down here. There you go. You see why you have to keep analyzing, keep looking, keep watching. There are levels on levels everywhere. So yeah, so if you keep watching clearly, analyzing it clearly, then you'll possibly be able to find the right trade. See, right now it looks like we're rejecting this level, and so we need to be careful now, right? Do any of you all game? Are there any gamers in the house? There's 11 of you all here, so I'm pretty sure some of you all should be gaming. Valorant, Dota, CSGO, anything? Warzone. Come on, where is GJ gonna be clean? So if we have a 2-hour close below this level, I will take a sell. I played Dota 2 right now while waiting for setup. Sounds good, bro. That's nice. Dota, yeah, Dota is played by a lot of people out here. Yeah, look at this 2-hour time frame. The 2-hour time frame is really neat for GJ, to be honest. Check it out. The 2-hour time frame very clean on GJ. So honestly, if the 2-hour closes below 154.700, I'll take the sell because we have nice clean sell down. I just play Call of Duty, man. Nothing else. Okay, damn. I just find this dual screen so fascinating. 8 GB VRAM. That is exactly what we don't need, but we will get that. Right? When do we ever need anything? Damn, bro. That is menacing. Touchpad mode. Okay, this laptop is intriguing. Holy, connect with the Adobe Photoshop. That is amazing. Game streamer. Oh, so you can game and stream because you have Discord and the rest. Yeah. That is just crazy, not gonna lie, man. For editing also, I use a lot of Photoshop, so this is really, I mean Premiere Pro, so this is really good. Alright, ZenBook Pro Duo is the way to go. The laptop of tomorrow. UX 582. Okay guys, let me know, have you all seen anything interesting, any pairs that could possibly be interesting? Why is it killing my vibe? Let's see, are there any other YouTubers that are boring market truly today? Trust me. Let's see. Dark Fantasy Chocofills. Have they got anything? I think everyone's waiting for the same thing, man. Are there any other traders out there? Subscriptions. Damn. Yeah, there's really not much. GBP USD. It's a really boring market. Okay, wait, let's just go through all the pairs, okay? Let's go on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, GU nothing. EJ possibly nothing. USD CAD. Look at these wicks, top and bottom. What is there to do? The only thing we could have caught on USD CAD was this draw. That was right over there. I would have taken it as we broke this and closed here. That's the only thing, but that was way before my session. I think that should have been, yeah, that's just like a few hours after Asian session. USD JPY, we've been in the same place for hours together. Boring. USD CHF, nothing to look at really. Euro USD, yay, finally something that's doing something. Euro USD is moving. Oh, not bad. Euro USD, that is the only break of range that we saw, and it's actually following it, so let's just put it there. So if we had to just take the trade from here, Euro completed 12 pips. That's pretty good for you 10 pippers out there. Euro USD was the move today. AUD CAD, we've just been over here for the last 2 hours. Boring. Euro CAD, sorry, that was Euro Australian. Now we're in Euro CAD. same place. Euro New Zealand, oh, Euro New Zealand, same place. GBP AUD, literally the same place. GBP NZD, the same place. What is happening? Why is it so boring? GBP CHF, I think we could have possibly caught this little banger right here, but we would still be in the trade if we were in this. So right over here, we closed below. Take your trade and have a 10 pips stop. Right, did we move 10 pips? Oh, GBP CHF was the trade today. Let's go. So you would have had your 10 pip target done. AUD USD, same place. AUD JPY, whatever. NZT, whatever. US 30, yeah, boring. NAS 100, it didn't break below that level, so there's no back testing anymore on NAS 100 until we break these highs. So yeah, overall a pretty dead market. Like, what are we talking about? What is BTC doing? Okay, BTC sells once we break this level, lads. Yeah, I am sure of it. It's formed it too perfectly, so when we break, they should sell off. Yeah, so overall a kind of weird market today. On gold, you could have sold at the break of this low, but yeah, that's pointless. The fake out should have been the sign to sell at the resistance, right? This resistance was the place to sell it when you close back in to come back down. But yeah, we could have had a good trade, but yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is, lads. I feel like, usually what happens is the second I log out, right, the trades start pumping, markets start moving. What about y'all? Do you ever feel like the second y'all tune off, the markets start moving all of a sudden? It's like my absence became the volume. Oh, all of this is still open. No. Yeah, a lot of fake outs today. I just hope no one got stuck in a fake out. Wait, how do I? There you go. No fake outs. Yeah. Extremely boring markets. Show us your guitars, bro. Oh damn. How'd you Yo sales, what's good, man? Welcome to the stream. My guitars, I think I have a picture on Instagram of my guitar. This, you want to see my guitar clearly? Yeah, that's pretty much my guitar. Wait, let me see. I think I have let's see, saved. Wait, let me just check if I have any pictures of my guitar. Maybe because of it. 1 second. Mm. Yeah, maybe because of NFP, everything is waiting. Mm. Okay, wait, before I continue, I just found a picture. If I want to see the curvature of my screen, yeah. Dual 1800 curved screens, 27 inches each, and so that's 54 inches, so it's a little bigger than a G9 Odyssey. That's editing, you know. With some wallpapers up. My guitars, I don't know why I can't find. Wait. Any more re-entries on GBP CHF? Oh, you're new here. Welcome here. No, I think it depends on how this forms, right? We gotta wait. The next entries on GBP CHF will only be below this level over here. Because we're rejecting the key psychological level over there. 1.23 flat. Right? So the next entries will only be there. So we're rejecting now, so don't risk it. Gold is going down. Look at that no trade range call to the T. Come on, all you gold traders out there who are in the chat, you all have been saved once again. But this gold trade would have been good from there. It's okay. Next time we can cast the faker. Let me see. I'll tell you what. There's 11 of you all watching over here. Alright? If let's see, if we reach 150 subscribers today or tomorrow, whenever. Okay, if we reach 150 subscribers today, I'll buy a $10,000 challenge on MFF, and I will do it right in front of you all. I'll post everything like I did before. I'll do it right in front of you all, passing the entire challenge and moving forward. That's what I did previously with the 50k account, but if we reach 150 subscribers today, I will do a $10,000 challenge right in front of you all. Previously, look, I did a 50k challenge for all of them. Every single trade. Right here, every single trade accounted for in phase 1. And there you go, all the trades. Yeah, Tango, you escaped that. And all the trades in phase 2. There you go. Look at that chart. I came so close to getting stopped out and to pass it finally. So there you go. Passed in 23 days on the 50k account on MFF. So yeah, if we reach 150 subscribers today, I'll do it right in front of you. I'll buy another 10k account and do it right in front of you. So yeah, let's pump the subscribers and let's go. Okay, GBP news incoming in a minute. Okay, final services PMI. Will this impact GJ and all decently, or What? Okay, let's see this. Because if this gives GG strength, then at the 4-hour flip is where you'd want to like get in. Oh nah. Okay, 8 seconds. Okay, what's the news saying? What is the news saying? Let's see the numbers. 60.8 last time. If they leave it the same, it should be positive for GBP if I'm not mistaken. Mm-mm. 0.5. I don't think it's gonna do anything. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna do much. But like I said, if we hit 150 subscribers today, I'll buy a 10k challenge and I will completely open it to you all, and I'll show you all every single trade I make on that challenge, and we'll do it together all the way to the first withdrawal, and then we'll celebrate somehow. Mm-mm. Is it just me or after the news the market is just chilling? So GJ has now flipped the daily bearish, and we have rejected the daily resistance as of now. We are now bearish on GJ daily and 4 hourly. We are now trading below the 4-hour resistance and below the daily resistance. Man, today is killing the vibe, yo. The market better start moving before someone dies. Yeah, we're just 6 subs away from 150. How does the challenge work? Oh, any take on GJ? Right now there's 0 take on GJ. As soon as we break below 154,700, you see this level, I'm clear for sells. Especially if the 2-hour closes. This 2-hour, if we close below this level, oh, I'm in it. Hashish. How does the challenge work? Have you never heard of a prop firm challenge? A prop firm challenger. Yeah, if you've heard of a prop firm challenge, that's the challenge I'm talking about. I'll buy a $10,000 account and I'll do the challenge with you all seeing it. So yeah, that would be interesting. I mean, it's not like I haven't done it before, but yeah, it'll be interesting to do it again. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Do y'all have any questions, lads? Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, do you all have any questions? It doesn't have to be only trading related, but I don't mind trading related questions. Gold. Views on gold. A beautiful sell once we break below 1923 800 or 1924 flat. Because at that point we're completely bearish. Daily bearish, 4 hourly bearish. Everything is bearish. So I'd sell it back to the bottom at 1924, yeah. 750 to around 250 should be a nice zone. Yeah, that would be my sell on gold to the bottom here. So yeah, Bami, I'm so sorry if I say that name. I'm probably going to murder it because I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. Oh, Euro JPY is broken below. Not bad. At least we're breaking below. This looks really good. This 1 hour closure below this level should give us a clean rundown. The low, lower high, high, lower high, low. Once we close below this level, that's a lower low. Even this half an hour close should be pretty good, honestly. As we've called out before. How about gold breaking 1922? Yeah, gold can do that. Mm, 1922 down here. Yeah, that's the break of this candle very low. Yeah, you can take that also. But for me, I'm just looking at the break of this market structure, right? So once we break this, we most likely will come down to this level to hit it. Look, it's right over here. So that's why I'm looking at this price level, right? Yeah, 15 of y'all in the house. Welcome, welcome. We were just looking at what we can take. Euro JPY sells, gold sells. Sorry, yeah, gold sells once we break this level at 1924. EJ cells are activated as per the call from here. So we're gonna take first partials at 10 pips. Alright, stops to be E over here. That's for whoever's in it. For me, it was a boring market, so I didn't really get into any sells. I don't see where the volume is gonna come from, so hence I haven't taken any trades today. But right now we can get some good volume. because usually this is where we see price moving. At this time, this is basically what you consider the crossover session. Are the other London sessions still running? If they are, let me know what trades they're in. We're still waiting for that trade to come in. Let's see. Should come in any moment now. Guys, if you like what you're seeing, if you enjoyed today, go ahead and smash that like button and the subscribe button. Join the gang. And like I said, if we get to 150 subscribers, I'll buy a 10k account in front of you all and we can trade it. We will take all the trades only called out on the stream. And we will do something fun when we pass it. Come on DJ, give us a good trade now. Alright, so the 13 of y'all, as per your risk management, how much do y'all risk per trade? Yeah, how much do y'all risk per trade? And how many trades do you all take in a day? This looks very shabby, to be honest. It's wasting time and I'm out. Maybe when the 1 hour closes below this level, you can get a good trade. Alright guys, this market is getting so boring. I'm gonna call it a day in about 5 minutes. Or actually, you know what? I'm about to hop off of here. I think go enjoy yourself, enjoy the day for what it is. Don't get stuck with these boring markets. Yeah, we come back tomorrow with a brand new stream. A brand new setup. All my GJ and gold analysis are down in the Discord server. The link is in the description. Do like the stream, subscribe, and thank you for joining us today. It was a good stream, but a boring market.
See you tomorrow, Sam.
See you, Christy. Take care. Bye. See you stream. Take care. Don't overtrade, don't over risk. Bye.